Time story continues. Time conversion, seconds into minutes. Let's convert 300 seconds into minutes. We know 60 seconds is equal to 1 minute. Therefore, to convert from seconds to minutes, we divide the number. 300 divided by 60. The result is 5 minutes. Let's convert 1800 seconds into minutes. 60 seconds is equal to 1 minute. Therefore, 1800 seconds divided by 60 is equal to 30 minutes. Therefore, when we convert 1800 seconds into minutes, we get 30 minutes. Time conversion, days into hours. Let's convert 3 days into hours. We know 1 day is equal to 24 hours. Therefore, in order to convert days into hours, we need to multiply 3 into 24. That is 72 hours. Let's convert 15 days into hours. Again, we know 1 day is equal to 24 hours. Therefore, to convert 15 days into hours, we need to multiply 15 into 24. 15 into 24, the result is 360 hours. So, when we convert 15 days into hours, we get a result of 360 hours. The hunter was tired and the boy was feeling too hungry. Returning was not a possibility till they had taken some rest and had some food. Hunter tried for another hour but did not get anything. The boy was getting restless due to hunger and mosquito bite. The hunter decided to light a fire. Suddenly, they heard voice of fledglings from the tree. They decided to light fire and then catch the baby birds for food. Their conversation was heard by parent pigeons. Hunter with his son collected the twig and lit the fire. Meanwhile, pigeon soaked itself from the lake and sprinkled water on the fire. The fire got extinguished. There was darkness again. Catching of birds was not possible without light of fire. Meanwhile, the boy started crying due to hunger. The hunter saw the watch. It was showing 8:30. That is, the time was 8:30 p.m. The pigeon told his wife, "They are our guests. It's our duty to provide them food." The wife nodded and they flew to the jungle. Soon they were dropping plums and berries. The hunter saw 2 pigeons dropping the fruits, which he gave the boy to eat. This went for an hour. By now, the fire was lit, but the plums were not sufficient to fill their stomach. The pigeon decided what was to be done. He kissed his wife and children. He asked his wife to take care of children. Then he took a plunge and jumped into the fire. As soon as pigeon jumped, the hunter comprehended its intent and took it out from the fire. "We are grateful for your help, though we are hunters, but we are not so cruel to feed on those who helped us," said the hunter. "Yes, we can live today and will learn farming tomorrow onwards," said the boy. The hunter saw his watch and it was showing 10:10. A smiling clock. Happy learning!